The moose, Alcus alcis, is the largest member of the deer family. These majestic creatures command attention with their size and unique features. Their long legs, massive bodies, and impressive antlers distinguish them. Moose inhabit various environments, showcasing adaptability. They play a vital role in their ecosystems, shaping the landscape. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the moose. Moose are found across northern latitudes in North America, Europe, and Asia. In North America, they inhabit Canada and Alaska. European moose are in Scandinavia, while Asian moose are in Russia. They prefer boreal forests, temperate woodlands, and wetlands. Abundant vegetation and water sources are crucial. Their thick fur and large body mass suit cold climates. They adapt to diverse landscapes, from forests to swamps. Skilled swimmers, they forage in lakes and rivers. Their adaptability contributes to their widespread distribution. Suitable habitats are crucial for moose populations. Deforestation and climate change impact their numbers. Protecting habitats ensures their long-term survival. Moose are easily recognized by their imposing size. Bulls can stand over 6 feet tall and weigh up to 1,800 pounds. Cows are slightly smaller but still substantial. Their long legs and broad hooves help them navigate snow and marshes. Male moose have massive antlers, spanning up to 6 feet. Bulls shed and regrow their antlers annually. Moose have a thick coat for insulation against winter temperatures. The bell, or dewlap, is a distinctive feature. Their large noses enhance their sense of smell. Keen eyesight and hearing help them survive in the wild. Moose are primarily herbivores, meaning their diet consists of plants. They consume a variety of vegetation, including leaves, twigs, bark, aquatic plants, and shrubs. Their long legs and flexible necks allow them to reach high into trees and browse on foliage inaccessible to other herbivores. They are adept at foraging in both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Moose are often seen wading into lakes and rivers to feed on submerged vegetation, utilizing their ability to hold their breath for extended periods. Their diet changes seasonally, reflecting the availability of different plant species. While generally solitary animals, moose may form small groups, especially during the mating season or when cows are raising calves. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, bellows, and whines. Body language also plays a role in communication, particularly during aggressive encounters between males. Despite their large size, moose can be surprisingly agile and fast. They are capable of running at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour and are strong swimmers. These abilities help them evade predators such as wolves and bears and navigate their challenging environments. Section 5. Reproduction and lifespan, the cycle of life. The moose mating season, known as the rut, occurs in the fall. Males engage in fierce competition for females. Bulls bellow, clash antlers, and display dominance. After mating, the gestation period lasts about 8 months. Cows give birth to 1 or 2 calves. In the spring, newborns grow rapidly, relying on their mother's milk. They stay with their mother for about a year. Moose live 15 to 25 years in the wild. Predation, disease, and human activities affect survival. The cycle of life for a moose shows nature's balance. From rut competition to mother-calf bonds, each stage is vital. Section 6. Conservation status, protecting the gentle giants. While moose populations are currently stable in many areas, they face several threats that require ongoing conservation efforts. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion reduces the available space for moose to roam and find food. Climate change also poses a significant challenge. Warmer temperatures can lead to increased parasite infestations, impacting moose health and survival. Changes in snowpack can affect their ability to forage and escape predators. Addressing climate change through global cooperation is essential for mitigating these impacts. Hunting is another factor that can influence moose populations. Regulated hunting seasons are implemented in some areas to manage population numbers and prevent overgrazing. However, poaching and illegal hunting can have detrimental effects on local moose populations. Conservation efforts focus on protecting and restoring moose habitat, implementing sustainable hunting practices, and raising public awareness about the importance of moose conservation. International collaboration and research play crucial roles in ensuring the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. Section 7. Moose, fun facts and trivia. Moose are impressive swimmers, capable of diving up to 20 feet underwater to forage for aquatic plants. Their long legs and powerful bodies make them efficient swimmers, allowing them to access food sources unavailable to other terrestrial herbivores. Their antlers, the largest of any deer species, can span up to 6 feet across and weigh up to 40 pounds. These impressive structures are shed and regrown annually, serving primarily as weapons during the mating season and for displays of dominance. Moose have a specialized digestive system that allows them to process woody vegetation. Their 4-chambered stomach houses bacteria that break down cellulose, enabling them to extract nutrients from otherwise indigestible plant material. Despite their large size, moose are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Their ability to navigate through dense forests and deep snow is a testament to their physical prowess and adaptability. Section 8. The moose's role in the ecosystem. Moose play a significant role in shaping their ecosystems. As herbivores, they influence plant communities through their browsing habits, controlling the growth of certain species and creating openings in the forest canopy. Their presence provides food for predators such as wolves and bears. The carcasses of moose that die from natural causes or predation also provide nutrients for scavengers and contribute to the decomposition cycle. Moose can also influence the distribution of other species. For example, their foraging activities can create microhabitats for smaller animals and insects. Their wallowing in wetlands can alter water flow and create pools that benefit aquatic life. By understanding the ecological role of moose, we can better appreciate their importance in maintaining the balance of nature. Protecting moose and their habitats is essential for preserving the integrity of the ecosystems they inhabit. Section 9. Cultural significance of the moose. Moose hold cultural significance for many indigenous peoples across their range. They are often revered as symbols of strength, resilience, and connection to nature. Their image appears in traditional art, stories, and ceremonies. In some cultures, moose are considered a source of sustenance, providing meat, hides, and antlers for various purposes. Hunting practices are often intertwined with cultural traditions and spiritual beliefs, emphasizing respect for the animal and its role in the natural world. The image of the moose has also become a symbol of wilderness and the northern landscape. It is often featured in tourism campaigns and represents the allure of untamed nature. This cultural significance contributes to conservation efforts by raising awareness and appreciation for these majestic creatures. Moose have inspired artists, writers, and musicians, capturing the imagination with their imposing presence and connection to the wild. Their image evokes a sense of awe and wonder, reminding us of the beauty and power of the natural world. Section 10. The future of moose conservation. The future of moose populations depends on continued conservation efforts and international collaboration. Protecting and restoring habitat, mitigating the impacts of climate change, and managing hunting sustainably are crucial for their long-term survival. Research plays a vital role in understanding moose biology, ecology, and the threats they face. Monitoring populations, tracking movements, and studying their interactions with other species provide valuable data for informing conservation strategies. Public awareness and education are essential for fostering support for moose conservation. By educating communities about the importance of moose and the challenges they face, we can inspire action and create a sense of shared responsibility for their protection. Collaborations between governments, conservation organizations, indigenous communities, and local stakeholders are crucial for effectively managing moose populations and ensuring their continued existence for future generations. Section 11. Conclusion, a call to action. The moose, with its imposing size, unique antlers, and remarkable adaptations, stands as a symbol of the wild beauty and resilience of nature. Understanding their lives, their ecological importance, and the threats they face is essential for ensuring their continued existence. We are all stakeholders in the future of moose conservation. By supporting conservation initiatives, learning more about these magnificent creatures, and spreading awareness, we can contribute to their protection and preserve their place in the natural world. Take a moment to reflect on the majestic moose and the interconnectedness of life. Let their story inspire you to appreciate the wonders of nature and to take action to protect the creatures that call it home. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them. Let us work together to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the majesty of the moose.